In general, the Mazda CX-5 has a towing capacity of around 2,000 pounds for most models. There was one model in 2018 that had a 3,500 pound rating, but that's because it had a little different engine. It was a 2.2 liter engine, as you can see from the table here, instead of the standard 2.0 or 2.5 liter engines. So to actually find the Mazda CX-5 towing capacities for the different years, what you normally would do, let me switch on over here, is you could search for, you want the Mazda owner's manual, really is what you're searching for. So it's going to be something, so if you click on this link here, you're going to be taken to a page that looks something like this. So what you do is you select your year, of course, and then the model. So it's going to be the CX-5 for this example, of course, find vehicle. So the page will kind of refresh, and then you'll have a little drop-down menu here on the left side, and then you want to click on owner's manuals, and then CX-5 owner's manual. Here, click on that, and that will open up a the owner's manual essentially. And what you want to do is you want to type in trailer towing load table or trailer towing. So Control F or Command F if you're on a Mac, and then type in trailer towing load table or trailer towing, whatever. So you should see a table like this, and this will actually show you the towing capacities. And as you can see right here in this column here, there's two different towing capacities, 2,000 pounds and 3,500 pounds, and that's because this does have a little bit different engine. So the 2.2 liter has that 3,500 pound capacity, whereas the other engines, the 2.0 and the 2.5, no matter if it's a two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, automatic, or manual transmission, is going to be at that 2,000 pounds. An easier way, though, if you wanted to, you can just head over to my page, letstowthat.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. Mazda CX-5 towing capacity. So this is what the page looks like. You scroll all the way down, and then you find your year here, 2013 to the current model, which I will update this. But then you can just click on these and open it, so you don't have to do all the searching for that. And then you pop in, that manual will pop up for you, and then you look for the towing capacity like we saw here. And you may not have, most of these models have that 2,000 pound capacity range. So to give you a good example of that, here is a 2014 trailer towing load table for the Mazda CX-5. And as you can see, it has that 2.0 engine and the 2.5 engine. Obviously that 2.2 liter engine is not in here. So you can see across the board that 2,000 pound max trailer towing capacity. And another thing, since I'm here, I wanted to mention your gross combined weight rating here, which is an important metric. And then, of course, you know, you can do the axle weight ratings, gross vehicle weight rating. All of this has to be included in the towing numbers, so you can't just tow a trailer at 2,000 pounds if you have to minus passenger weight, cargo weight, things like that. So take that into consideration as well. And a good example of what I mean by minusing the additional weight. So here is the spec sheet for the Mazda on Mazda's site for the CX-5. And right here it has under all the tow capacities here, it has this little disclaimer. Towing capacity shown are maximums must be reduced by the weight of any passenger, cargo hitch, or optional equipment, including cargo weight, things like that. So definitely want to consider not just the total weight of the trailer for your Mazda CX-5, but all of the, that's where that gross combined weight rating comes in the table that we saw back here. This column here, that's where that comes in. So you can actually minus the weight of your vehicle, your cargo. You can actually go, the easiest way is probably to go to the scales. You can find those scales at weight centers. The local dump even have scales. You know, any place that has scales where you can weigh your vehicle and get a very accurate idea of to see if you're in this recommended range. So that's it. This is Ryan for letstowthat.com. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.